prebiotics and fiber. 4. The magic of fermented foods. 5. Hydration. 6. Mindful eating and meal timing. 7. Gentle movement. 8. Sleep and stress. 9. A simple morning ritual. 10. An evening routine for rest and repair. Think of your gut as a lush, vibrant garden. Inside live trillions of tiny helpers, bacteria, fungi, viruses. Together, they form a living community called your gut microbiome. It supports digestion, trains your immune system, and communicates with your brain. A healthy gut aids mood, focus, and energy. When balance slips, you may notice bloating, gas, constipation, or diarrhea. The good news: small, consistent habits can restore your inner garden. The most powerful tool is the food on your plate. It is information for your microbes. Processed foods often send the wrong signals. They feed less desirable microbes and disrupt balance. The antidote is simple. Embrace whole foods, colorful fruits and vegetables, hearty whole grains like oats and quinoa, protein-rich beans and lentils, healthy fats from nuts, seeds and avocados, small swaps, an apple over a cookie, oatmeal over sugary cereal. Nourish your inner garden. Fill half your plate with plants and use simple cooking methods to preserve nutrients. Prebiotic fiber is a superfood for your best bacteria. It travels to your colon, where microbes live. They ferment it into short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, fuel for your colon cells. Great prebiotic sources include onions, garlic, leeks, asparagus, slightly green bananas, oats, barley, apples, and chicory root. Add small amounts daily. Sliced onion, a garlic sauté, or oatmeal for breakfast. Include both soluble and insoluble fiber by mixing